One of the greatest changes I've seen in gardening in the last 10 years has been the concentration on soil health, specifically working with the organisms that inhabit this underground world, most of which you'll never see. Soil scientists tell us the number of these beneficial critters are absolutely mind-boggling, and their main purpose in life is to look after the plants which provide them with simple sugars as a result of photosynthesis, making food from light. New from Seasol is a probiotic mix of living bacteria. Now these interact with the organisms and the innumerable organisms that grow in the soil, and they get them into top gear. And what does that mean? It basically means that those organisms then supply your plants with nutrients, water, and also protection from disease. And that's all the plants in your garden that you use this on. Colony forming units, or CFUs, are the measure of how many of these active living bacteria are in the solution. This concentrate has 12 billion CFUs, and a hose-on version a mere 6 billion. Applying Seasol Soil Improver is a novel way of building soil health and plant performance. I say novel, but Mother Nature's been doing this for millions of years. This formulation not only contains probiotics, but there's seaweed, fish extract, as well as liquid compost mixed in. Now, the major effect that this has that I think really beneficial is that it helps plants overcome stress. And that stress can come from things like frost, heat, drought, or even plant diseases. You can apply every 3 weeks by watering can or garden sprayer, and it's safe for all soils and all plants. So now is a terrific time to spread a couple of billion bacteria around your garden to stimulate all of that spring growth that you want. And when it comes to numbers, you know, I think my youngest daughter once nailed it when she said, a lot and a lot.